It's not focusing. Oh, okay. To make sure, so I'm not very good at. Sorry. I'm not happy when I do that. I think that's a better zoom. I'm still covering it up with my hands. Focusing. So I don't know how well the mic is going to pick me up, but I'm going to explain a little bit of what I'm doing here. I recently picked up, I'm going to be doing this in a separate video, but I have another one here. I picked up a 3DS and a DSi used, and I thought it'd be some good test footage for these cameras to, you know, just kind of record it. I don't know how well the mic is going to pick me up, so I might just like cut over the audio. This is a Japanese launch model Nintendo 3DS in the color Aqua, and I already have one. It's a American Red model. I'm trying not to. I'm not good at this. I think next time, since I'm right-handed, it'd be easier if I did this with the camera on the left side. But I don't have a lot of desk space over there, so. Okay. Be careful about that. But it's like, I'll show it later. I don't feel like messing with the camera focus right now. But, yeah. This is, I'll explain what's wrong with this 3DS. It's pretty nasty, which is why I'm cleaning it. It has, I'll turn it, I don't know enough about cameras to have it constantly in auto, but if we'll focus on this. There we go, I want you to focus on this. I'm trying to focus on my hand. Okay, there it goes, I don't know how well it's picking up, but there's like some damage to the D-pad. It's like the paint's cracking a little bit. Can you stop? There we go. That's that. You kind of see it. It's like pretty nasty. It's like paint's peeling off it. I think the video's mirrored. I'll fix that. There's a little bit of that with these buttons as well. But let me move it back. It was about there before. Yeah, okay. And they were selling it for 1650 yen, and I was like, And it wasn't even on display in their normal section. It was at the cash register, which means that was like brand new stock, like it had just come into the store. And I asked the cashier about it, and she said it was junk, and so I was like, oh, okay. So it's a very nasty 3DS, and a very pretty color though. Paint's peeling off a little bit. I'll show it off later, but there's like spots where the paint's obviously peeling off, which is fine. I'll just I have the tools to reseal it, so that way there's no further. Oh wait, it's still on automatic. Come on, I'll let it. Oh. Something else in here. Okay, there it goes, Okay. There we go. So yeah. And other than that, it works perfectly fine. The battery, I'll show it off. The battery is kaput. This is the original battery in it. But I bought a spare battery there because they had one in the store as well. I was originally going to use it for another 3DS I have, one of my American ones, but I guess I'm using it for this one. I'm gonna zoom in a little bit. The camera's gonna not freak out. Yeah. So like touchscreen works just fine, and I need to do more testing with this battery, but like it's fine. One of my better financial decisions, I feel. Even if it is a very dirty boy. Need it. Need to figure out a better setup than this. I know you can't, obviously the viewer, you can't see it, but if you're curious, I am right-handed. This is my right hand. The video is a bit mirrored, I think. Yeah, the video is mirrored. I'm right-handed. The camera is sitting off to my right on a tripod that's way too tall. And then I have it pointed all the way down so that way it can focus on my desk. There is no space. I had to move like a bunch of things to have like even this much space. Even then, like there's like wires like over here. I'll show you. There's that mess. So yeah. They say that you're not supposed to like put IPA. Also, I'm using. Once again, it's mirrored, but it's 70% IPA. 70% IPA. They say you're not supposed to use it on the bottom screen because there's like the different layers of the screen, and it can get underneath one of the layers, and then it separates, and that's a whole thing. It's like, I'm too tired for this, you know. It's a bit growly up here. Look at that. I don't, yeah. Can't really see what I'm doing. Yeah. There's a window behind me. Let's use that so that way I can just kind of better see what I'm doing. I picked the worst two DS's to do this test with because they are both incredibly dark in color. One's just straight black, the other one is an original 3DS, so half of it's already black. But You know, what can you do about it? 1 second, I need to get... Okay, thank you. In fact, since this 3DS is so dirty, I'm gonna pop off the back of it. So that way I can better clean around like these edges. Yeah, that's what, it's not in frame. I don't know why, but this one in particular does not like coming off. Here's the new battery I was talking about. It's not focusing. It's focusing on my hands and not on... Okay. That's better, I feel. Here's the new battery. Since we're here, show you a comparison. This one, you can't see it on camera super well, because if I even hold it in frame, but it's expanded in the middle, which means that it's bad. Yeah. The old battery had a life of like 5 minutes. It made actually trying to test the thing very difficult. So I'm kind of glad that they had this one in stock. So we're just going to... That is... Well, it won't focus. I'll show it later, like the different Q-tips, because they are nasty. This is not the nastiest DS I've bought. I have a different, I have a white DS Lite that is so nasty that I've decided that I'm just going to clean it when I take it apart, because it's too much effort to try and clean it with the Q-tips alone. Like, the plastic pieces need to be hand washed. It's like a... yeah. So I guess since I don't have that much more to say about the 3DS, I guess I'll just talk about like what I want to do. This is going onto the archive channel because it's not high quality, it's just me testing cameras, like cleaning 3DSs. But I want to do a lot of different things on the channel, but I'm not very good with when it comes to like a technology and whatnot. That's like, I can fix things and I can do things, but I don't know like the ins and out of like video editing or like recording things and whatnot. I feel like I shouldn't be cleaning the battery like this, but oh well. And I'll clean this piece next. So there's like many different things I want to do, but it's like, I don't really know what I'm doing. So, like, I have a better mic. It's actually on the floor over here. Like, it's not gonna fit in the frame. I have a better mic. But like I don't know how to hook it up to this thing, so it's like, do I just like record like a different, because like if I want to do this like live, then it's like, how am I going to record the audio? I'm just gonna hope that like this audio is good enough. If not, I'll just put like music over it. And then it's just, life is, I just need to learn. I feel I just need to like learn how to do things. I've already learned one thing. The camera has to go in a different location because I like being able to do things with my right hand, and this position is not working, so. I'm gonna do this twice already. It still doesn't like it. I don't know if it's just like I'm doing it wrong or what. It's in. I'm gonna screw it up. I'm somewhat ambidextrous, but my left hand's pretty shaky. Because, yeah, it's just shaky. I have shaky hands. And finally, the only game I have to test. No, wait, never mind. I already have a game in it. Let me close this real quick. Let me zoom in on that. And it's in 3D, so it's not gonna like it. Yeah. And there we go. So here's the out. There we go. We have I have too many 3DSs. 3DS. And I'm gonna stand up for this.